Hello, beautiful people. Hi, my name is Idan, and I'm the maker of Orgonai. I just finished making a beautiful little session of new creations, and this is where I do it. This is my workplace, and these are all the different crystals that I use. And when I finish the session, I use the crystal bowls, the Tibetan bowls, to give another little prayer into the creations, to have them holding the vibration of the prayer that I put inside them. Uh, Now it's a little cold, but underneath all of this, I am all wearing whites to with the pants too, to keep myself as clear as possible. And I would have done a video before, but I'm also in silence and in fasting of just drinking water in the days that I make, to clear myself as much as I can and to give you and everyone that are getting my creations the best and the most the cleanest and the most powerful piece of energetic arts that I can give. So big love, blessings from Israel, peace.